Assalamu alaikum. When it comes to iftar, it's very easy to compensate for the whole day and eat too much food or eat foods that can be harmful to us both physically and spiritually. So why not opt for a 2-course iftar meal instead? So in the first course, you break your fast with dates, followed by some fruits, and then hydrate yourself with fluid of choice, whether it's water, smoothie or lassi or some soup. Then take a short break and pray the Maghrib Salah. This will give your body enough time to digest and allow your stomach to register that you have broken your fast. Shortly after, start the second course. This may be your traditional meal or your usual evening meal. Nevertheless, try including more vegetables or salad to the plate. This can be done by dividing your plate into 3 sections, 1, 2 and 3, with the biggest section for vegetables or salads, and then combine with your own food. Take sips of fluid during the meal rather than large gulps. One-pot meals, like tarid, was considered the most lavish of food by the Prophet Muhammad ﷺ. Narrated by Abu Musa al-Ashri, may Allah be pleased with him, that the Prophet Muhammad ﷺ said, "The superiority of Aisha to other ladies is like the superiority of tarid, i.e. meat and a bread dish, to other meals. Many men reach the level of perfection, but no woman reached such a level except Mary, the daughter of Imran, and Asiya, the wife of Pharaoh." Tarid is very similar to stews and curries and can be eaten with either bread or rice. Therefore, best to keep the meals simple like tarid, using foods from all food groups, helping you reduce time cooking and reduces food waste, and giving you more time for ibadah. You can also make your meals more healthier by using less oil, oven baking, grilling, barbecuing, air frying or steaming, and adding less salt to your cooking. Remember, this information is all free, so don't forget to subscribe, like, share or follow Conscious Bites Dietitian.